Welcome to Kiddo Learning Club. Watch, read, listen, learn.
Hello children, in this video we'll learn and write 10 animals name English to Hindi. So let's start. First, cow. C O W. Cow. Cow means guy. Second, camel. C A M E L. Camel. Camel means oot. Third, cat. C A T. Cat. Cat means billy. Fourth, elephant. E L E P H A N T. Elephant. Elephant means hathi. Fifth, kangaroo. K A N G A R O O. Kangaroo. Kangaroo means kangaroo. Six, tiger. T I G E R. Tiger. Tiger means bagh. Seventh, leopard. L E O P A R D. Leopard. Leopard means tendua. A lion. L I O N. Lion. Lion means sher. Ninth, deer. D E E R. Deer. Deer means hare. Tenth, beer. B E A R. Bear. Bear means भालू. So let's repeat again. Cow. Cow means गाय. Camel. Camel means ऊँट. Cat. Cat means बिल्ली. Elephant. Elephant means हाथी. Kangaroo. Kangaroo means कंगारू. Tiger. Tiger means बाघ. Leopard. Leopard means तेंदुआ. Lion. Lion means शेर. Deer. Deer means हिरण. Bear. Bear means भालू.